मॉर्निंग मैथमेटिक्स के अंदर यूनिट नंबर 3 में आज लेक्चर नंबर 14 के अंदर ले रहे हैं हम वेरिएंस। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स एक्स बी ए डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरिएबल विद पीएमएफ प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन पी एक्स इक्वल्स टू एक्स आई इक्वल्स टू पी आई विद वेरिएंस ऑफ एक्स इज डिफाइंड एज, कैसे डिफाइंड किया था वेरिएंस? वेरिएंस एक्स इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा स्क्वायर इज द सिंबल ऑफ इट, देन इक्वल्स टू expectation of xi minus x bar whole square. This type of variance we defined. In the moments also we identified that what is the value of e xi minus x bar whole square. Similar way that here x square is the mean and random variable x, so variance x sigma square equals to expectation x minus x bar whole square equals to summation I xi minus x bar whole square pi. Pi is the movement probability mass function. Then if we expand it, then multiply pi inside the bracket, we get summation I xi square pi minus 2x bar summation I xi pi plus x bar square and summation pi equals to 1. This way we get summation I xi square pi minus 2x bar square. The summation xi pi means x bar means, so x bar multiply x bar x square, so 2x bar square then plus x bar square, that means summation I xi square pi minus x bar whole square. This way we get the formula of variance x or sigma square. The simplified form hold equally good for continuous random variable. Hence if x is a continuous random variable, then sigma square equals to integration between minus infinity to plus infinity xi minus x bar whole square fx dx. Then integration minus infinity to plus infinity x square fx dx minus integration minus infinity to plus infinity x fx dx का whole square. This way we get variance x equals to a square variance x. Then this is the main formulas of variance x in discrete and continuous form. In discrete we get variance x equals to summation I xi square pi minus x bar square. In continuous form it is variance x equals to integration between minus infinity to plus infinity x square fx dx and minus integration minus infinity to plus infinity x fx dx whole square. Now the question for this first question: two cards are drawn successively with replacement from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the mean and variance of number of S's. Here the random variable x denote the number of S's. So we draw the two cards. So the random variable x is 0 card, 1 card or 2 cards. The random variable x is 0, 1 and 2 maybe. So if we drawing S, then probability of this P drawing an S equals to 4 upon 52 because the S are 4. So 4 upon total cards 52, 1 upon 13, and not drawing S, it is 1 minus 1 upon 13 or equals to 12 upon 13. So for probability for Px equals to 0 equals to, if we draw a card, then without, if we replace it and draw another card, then the probability of drawing an S 12 upon, sorry, if not drawing a S, it's 12 upon 13 multiplied 12 upon 13. So 144 upon 169. Similarly for x equals to 1, if we, one card is S, another card is not S. So Px equals to 1, probability equals to 1 upon 13 if card is S, multiply 12 upon 30 if card is not S, plus if card is not S, multiply card is S. So total is 24 upon 169. Similar way for Px equals to 2, then if both cards are S, first and second both, so 1 upon 13 multiply 1 upon 13, 1 upon 169. This way we find the probability Px equals to 0, Px equals to 1 or Px equals to 2. Then the required distribution is x equals to 0, then probability is 144 upon 169. For x equals to 1, 24 upon 169, and for x equals to 2, probability 1 upon 169. Now we find mean and variance. First of all, mean, it is the expectation of random variable x. So it is 24 upon 169 for Px equals to 0 plus 2 upon 169 for Px equals to 1, and for Px equals to some 0 multiply Px x equals to 0 plus 1 multiply Px equals to 1 plus 2 multiply Px equals to, we get 26 upon 169. Now the Ex square, it is 24 upon 169 square of the square of x, then multiply by probability. Then 0 square multiply 140 upon 169 plus 1 square multiply 24 upon 169 plus 2 square multiply 1 upon 169. We get 28 upon 169. Then variance x equals to ex square minus ex whole square. So we get 28 upon 169. It is ex square, and ex whole square 26 upon 169 whole square. Minus we get 4056 upon 169 whole square, or 24 upon 169. This way we get mean ex 26 upon 169 and variance x 24 upon 169. We find the standard deviation equals to under root of variance x, and we get 2 root 6 upon 30. This way we find the variance of x. Similarly, second question. A random variable x the following probability distribution: xi minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, and pi 0.1 k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3 and k. Calculate the mean of x and variance of x. First of all, we are given the probability distribution summation pi equals to 1. Sum of all probabilities equals to 1. Then we get 0.6 plus 4k equals to 1. Sum of all probabilities of pi. Then we get k equals to 0.1. Hence we construct the following. The table of xi, values of minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. According to this probability, pi 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1. Put the value of k is here in this table, and we get the pi, all the values of pi. Value of k 0.1, then we get 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1. This way we find the table pi. Then pi xi, multiply pi xi, multiply both the values pi and xi, we get minus 0.2, multiply of minus 2 and 0.1, then minus 0.1 multiply minus 1 and 0.1, then 0 multiply 0.2, 0, 1 multiply 0.2, 0.2, 2 multiply 0.2, 0.6, 3 multiply 0.1, 0.3. Similarly, pi multiply xi square the xi, then multiplied by pi. We get 0.4, 0.10, 0.2, 1.2, 0.9. If we take the summation pi xi, we get summation pi xi to 0.8 and summation pi xi square equals to 2.8. If we find the ex is summation pi xi, it is 0.8, and ex square summation pi xi square 2.8, and variance x is ex square minus ex whole square. So 2.8 minus 0.8 whole square equals to 2.16. This way we find the variance of x. So first we find in this lecture, first of all, what is the variance? Variance is sigma square ex xi minus x square whole square in discrete form and continuous form, both we find. So two questions solved here. First is 2 cards are drawn successfully with replacement from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the mean and variance of number of S's. In this question we find only drawing one as probability of S and not drawing one as the probability. And if we draw 2 cards, if 2 cards none of card is S, 1 card is S and 2 card is S, so we find the probability px equals to 0, px equals to 1, px equals to 2. This way we have required distribution for x and px. Then this way ex square and variance x we find. So we will solve second question. In this way xi and pi given, and we calculate the mean of x and variance of x. First of all, we find the value of k, summation pi equals to 1. This way we find the value of k, and next we constructed this table. In this table we take this column xi, pi, pi xi and pi xi square, and we get summation pi xi 0.8, summation pi xi square 2.8. Then this way we get variance x 2.16. This way this lecture completed. Thank you.